The 3-channel 4K dashcam offers comprehensive surveillance with its ability to capture high-definition video from the front, inside, and rear of your vehicle. With the option to switch to a dual camera mode, you can enhance the resolution of the front camera to ultra-high definition for a clearer driving experience. The built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi and app control make it simple to manage and share your recordings through various platforms such as Facebook and YouTube. Even in low-light conditions, the dashcam's night vision ensures clear footage, and its parking mode safeguards your vehicle by recording upon detecting vibrations or impacts. Equipped with a G sensor, the dashcam protects important footage during sudden incidents, while loop recording allows for uninterrupted video capture by replacing old files. Installation is straightforward with plenty of tutorial videos available, and the dedicated support team is ready to assist with any technical questions or additional accessory needs.